Hello, I am Kristina Khudaverdyan. I will talk about the method of information protection. Among the existing methods, today we will talk about steganography. What is steganography? Is it stenography or is it related to Stegosaurus, type of dinosaurs? Of course, not. Steganography is an art and science to hide a message in such a way that no one even imagined that secret image exists. Which way to keep your wallet is more secure? It is obvious that hiding wallet is more secure than locking. Steganography has a long history from BC to the present. In Armenia, it was discovered in the 3rd century BC. In 1419, Timaeus wrote a book, Steganography. Some of described methods are presented in the next slide. For example, using invisible ink to hide the secret messages. Hiding messages recorded on microdot, which can be as small as 1 millimeter in diameter. By taking the letter, according the secret message in some words, the following message can be revealed. Modern steganography can hide secret message inside images or other digital object on a local computer or internet. For an ordinary observer, picture perception does not change. Steganography is very useful today. Thank you.